Hello everyone, it's Extreme Gamer here, and I'm doing Ratchet and Clank Part 2. It's Extreme Gamer here, and I'm doing Ratchet and Clank Part 2. So let's get into this. I will go this way first. Frick, I'm using up so much memory because it's like 12 at night when I'm doing this Let's Play, so I doing 2 Let's Plays at a time already. I'm at my 4th part of this one, the other Let's Play. Well, actually I did like 6. This one I'm only doing 2. Tonight. And then I'll delete them all, then I'll have my memory back. And I can do more. Damn. See, if you go back too far, you can die. You make it right here, and you go ding, ding, and you die. Or you probably make it average. Do you guys want me to do a bolt guide? Because I am very good at bolts. Let me know in the comments down below if I should do a bolt guide, because then I won't get any while I'm playing the game. Since I know where all of them are, I'm just going to get them while I'm playing the game, alright? Damn it. Because I bet you watch the COD Brothers and they show you where all it is, so you probably know where it all is. So I'm not gonna do one. Never mind. Don't listen to me. I'm just gonna get the bolts while I'm playing the game. I'll go back for them. And on my other account, I'm recently doing all the skill points. Funny because I didn't even open that yet. Okay, tomorrow I'll post part 4 or 5. So tomorrow I'll post, 4 and 5. I'll just download YouTube. Okay, so that's what I'll do, because I had YouTube on my, somehow on my old thing, so I'm going to download YouTube. It's probably going to say uploads, and then I'm going to try to see if my Ratchet and Clank one will upload. There might be a double of part 4s, so I'll redo it. It says like part 4 with this door, and it says, oh, still progressing. If it says something else, then I know it's erased, or it won't work. Then I'll redo it, and then it'll upload, and then I'll upload part 5, it'll upload, and then I'll delete them tomorrow. And then the next day after that, on Sunday, when my mom leaves, I will upload part 6. I'll delete it. I'll be done. And then I'll upload the next day, on Monday. I'll upload Ratchet and Clank Part 1, and then Part 2. And then Then I'll do a part 7. Then I'll do a part 3 of this. So yeah, I got my whole plan. Okay, I gotta kill these people. Shouldn't take long. Second part, you know. Who cares if you leave like a bolt behind? It's not gonna really do nothing. I would do it, but I can't. I have barely no guns to do it. I'm gonna go behind here. Some bolts. Bolts are very important in every single game. There's 2 bolts over there, but I don't want to go get them. It's pointless. They're really important in this game. In the first 2 games, they're really important. And the 3rd game, they're not really important. You don't have to buy certain items. But in these games, you do have to buy certain items. Like the first 2. And I hate, in the second one, how you have to buy expensive TV things where you have to watch your missions. You only have to do that actually 1 time, but still. That's what we want to save up. And we're cautious of spending. And you can't beat the game. But I'll spend anyway, because there's only 2,000 in this game. Better not be talking about my back. Don't burp when I'm making a video. Thank you. You lost time. Not really time, but I'm just getting the bolts before I, Okay, now I will destroy you. Thank you, and you're most kind. And personally, boom. Oh, no.
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
Solo,
What are
man.
you? Mercenaries? Torturers? Assassins? I'll tell you anything. Here, take my info bot. It's all I've got left.
Poor guy.
Not assassin. Hold on. Let's see what he's got.
I hope you guys can see this a little clear.
Has this ever happened
I
to
actually
you?
zoomed my camera in a bit,
Captain Quark,
so you
and
can like
believe
see
me,
it,
there's
but not
nothing
me.
worse than staring down a Blargian Snagglebeast from the inside and knowing your equipment isn't functioning properly. That's why
God
I
damn
cut
it.
you out.
Sister skipped it,
Do
sorry.
you know what this means?
Yeah, Captain Quark is really sold out.
No, it means Captain Quark is on Metropolis. We could tell him about this invasion.
If we had a ship.
A ship? What? You're not going to torture me? Well, the
Quark is a
Spirit
dick.
Gemini
He
could
takes
arrange
this
for you
ship,
to borrow our
he brings
cruiser
it to his
ship.
master, and then they make it into a master ship to destroy us. Then we have to
Thank
take
you, your
Quark's
chairman,
ship.
Gadgetron Informatics, give me...
Shipping. Well, now we have to do one more thing before we leave here. We only have to pay the guy 500 bucks. It's not bad. Actually, I'll come back. I would do a bolt guide, but everybody does a bolt guide when they do this. And a skill point guide. Maybe I might do a skill point guide. I want to save my money. That's not the reason why, but... I'll just get this bolt for fun. I like in this game how there's gold bolts, and gold bolts are better than platinum bolts, but platinum bolts aren't that really good. They're actually quite shitty. If you ask me, they're actually quite shitty. Titanium are the second best. apparently the titanium bolts are the best, but they're not. The gold bolts are the best. And then titanium second and the least is platinum. Platinum's not that good. The just average silver ones, or actually, I'm wrong. The average silver ones are the titanium bolts. These ones are the titanium bolts. Yeah, platinum's second best. Because they give you more. Yeah, never mind, and then gold's the best. Titanium's actually tied with it. But gold's the best. Gold is just the best. In the future games, they change these bolts back to, and in size matters, they change these bolts back to silver. I'm gonna let you watch this.
Plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
All right, wise guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports?
Escape transports?
Newsflash, giant robots attacking. The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this goddamn planet.
So why aren't you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What?
He hasn't got enough bolts.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing. Shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An infobot. Ratchet, we could use that.
Hold on. Before we get all body, I want 55,000 before I pay this. Okay, I got 55,000, but I want to get these bolts over here. Oh, I'm so close. Whatever. Let's go.
Mayday, mayday. This is the solar ship Radical.
They just crashed. Here, I'll let you watch this.
Did you see that guy on the left? That was Skid McMarks.
Does he know Captain Quark?
I doubt it. He's a pro hoverboarder. Always going off about how cool he is.
Looks like he's in trouble.
I'll say. I've never seen him look so freaked out.
Well, Planet Iridia acquired, so let's go. I have like 2 minutes left. Why doesn't take that out? Yeah. So I got 51,000 bolts. So what does that mean?
I got some great bargains for you.
Yes, I love this gun. And before we end it, we're gonna get a new cruiser ship. We're gonna go over here. The loading screen should just take 2 minutes. Well, I hope you guys like, subscribe, and I hope you've enjoying the series and the Jack and Dexter one. And Extreme Gamer out. Peace. Sorry.